Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from our end and you guys can continue to make good profits with us. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing this market yesterday, market was trending over here and we marked this area as our area of short-term resistance and this area as our short-term support. You guys can clearly see that market has remained sideways most of the time and it only tested our area of resistance once and closed below our area. So we could take this one short trade from here. Our stop loss would be just below this, just above this candle, and our take profit will be approximately till here. So this trade would have given us a 0.9% profit, and not really huge, but not even less as well. Okay, so now let me move all the scenarios forward because when the market remains sideways and market does not test any of the area, that means that the market is getting ready for a big move later on. So now let me move these scenarios forward so you guys can continue to make some good profits in this gold pair tomorrow. Okay, so that would be pretty much all in this gold analysis for today. If you guys would like to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Till then, just be vigilant and just follow this key and the scenarios and you guys will be good to make some amazing profits. Thank you.